How to turn off quiet mode on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch the Instagram application. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your Instagram account. From your home page, navigate to your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Once you land on your profile page, again navigate to top right corner and tap on the three-line icon. Now, under settings and activity, scroll down a bit. There you will have the notifications under the section that is how you use Instagram. Tap on notifications. Under notification, tap on quiet mode. Now, if you have turned on this toggle for quiet mode, turn off that toggle. And then tap on turn off quiet mode. And with that, the quiet mode has been turned off in your Instagram account. And that's how you can turn off quiet mode on Instagram. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next video.